alarm system. Here to develop a PLC ladder diagram to construct a alarm system which operates as follows. If one input is on, nothing happens. If any two inputs are on, a red light goes on. If any three inputs are on, an alarm siren sounds. If all are on, the fire department is notified. So this is our problem. So for this we have a ladder diagram. So this is a ladder diagram. This is our ladder diagram. So here we have to lock all these 4 inputs. If I press any one input, so nothing happens in PLC board. If I press any 2 inputs, then the red lights is on PLC board. So if I press any 3 inputs, then the alarm sound is on. If I press 4th input, the fan is on.